and welcome to Fair Live. My name is Cynthia, and today we're going to talk about patience. In life, there are some things that just won't be rushed, no matter how much you wish that they would just hurry up and just get to the good part. Many often forget that the journey would not be a journey if it was quick. A journey across the street. Or I took a journey across Texas. See how different that is? I'm sure you've heard that patience is a virtue. Good things come to those who wait. Well, let me explain what that means in business and in life in general. So, patience is a virtue. Well, the dictionary defines patience, the capacity to tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. Restraint, resignation, fortitude, serenity, perseverance. Now, what is a virtue? The dictionary defines a virtue as behavior showing high moral standards, thinking and doing what is good and avoiding what is wrong. So why is it important to slow down on the road to success? Well, if you're too fast, you might get a ticket. So let's just imagine for a minute that you're a person who has started a business about a year ago. You've been educating yourself on the tools of the trade well before you began this journey. You have been so close to reaching your first sale so many times. Every time something or someone always flakes out. You think that you've been patient. You've been in business a whole year and have made nada, zilch, nunca. You're frustrated on a daily basis. And in case you didn't know, frustration is an emotion that usually makes people act. The action will increase the forward action, or it could cause you to become paralyzed, and then the only action you have is the act of quitting. Well, that's where the patient comes in. Patience is uber important in a business. Did you know that a business is still considered a startup for like 3 years? Yeah, really. So if you're impatient, good luck with that one. Having patience keeps your business in a state of the process of development. And it's something that each owner should go through. You need to build time and build strategies. Evaluate the strategies that you've built, redo them, and try again. Now, patience means in life that you're a mature thinker. You are a more empathetic person. You are not going to bend to the pressure to hurry up and do it. Now, you can't rush everything. It's true that the early bird gets the worm, but not the fast bird. Some things take planning and patience. It's kind of like going to a barber or beauty salon with a scheduled appointment, and then the person who's supposed to do your hair is like running behind. So you can either leave looking a mess, or you can be patient and leave a little later looking wonderful. One of the most important things and lucky things for a lot of people is that patience can be learned. It is a decision. You can learn how to relax. You can learn how to be mindful when you are in a situation that might cause you to become impatient. You need to pay attention to your cues. Pay attention, be mindful of how you're feeling, and make a conscious decision to wait. Delay that reaction that you're so used to making. Practice makes patience. Now, I hope that you have gotten a little something from today's Fair Live. If you enjoyed it, subscribe by clicking the little YouTube subscribe button. And also look at the description under the video. I usually have some very helpful things centered around business and ways to increase your knowledge. Definitely, I really appreciate your time today. And thank you again for joining Fair Live.